Whenever I am in alone, then I used to generally think about the life. What is the existence of life? What is the perfect definition of life? I usually ask to myself very impatiently. Then sometimes I used to find that life is full of challenges. But we must not give up it. Every successful person have faced failure and difficulties. But the difference is that they didn't give up. They did not give up the effort of trying. They continue their try. Whenever I feel discouraged, then you must have to remember our goal, our set target, and continue to progress on the path of that target. Self respect, hard work, good patience, and determination always brings the perfect result.